All right, crypto hounds. Are you ready for the best event of the year? The Dog's House token claim is finally here, and it's about to set the crypto world on fire. What if I told you that your ticket to the next big crypto revolution is just a few taps away? Buckle up because the Dog's House is about to open its doors. Listen up, Pack. The moment we've all been drooling over is finally here. Claim to Telegram wallet and CEX's is now live, and it's hotter than a dog day afternoon. There is a link to register to Bybit in the description down below. You could claim it right away. But before you start howling with excitement, let's fetch some important details. First things first, you'll need to sniff out all the instructions inside the app. Don't worry, it's easier than teaching an old dog new tricks. But here's the real treat. You'll need an account on your chosen exchange and completed KYC. No bones about it. This is crucial. Now, I know you're all wagging your tails to get those tokens, but hold your horses, or should I say dogs. The tokens won't appear in your bowl immediately. They'll be fetched to your chosen account by August 20th. It's like waiting for your human to come home. The anticipation makes it all the sweeter. Don't have an account yet? No worries. They got you covered like a warm blanket on a cold night. You can register for Telegram wallet, OKX, or Bybit faster than a greyhound on race day. Just follow the links, and you'll be set up quicker than you can say, "Who's a good boy?" Now, here's where it gets as exciting as chasing squirrels in the park. They've expecting more traffic than a fire hydrant on a hot day, so the claim button might play a little game of hide and seek. If you can't fetch it right away, don't get your tail in a twist. Just try again later. For all you lone wolves out there planning to withdraw to a non-custodial wallet, you'll have to keep your paws off until August 20th. But don't forget to connect your non-custodial wallet now. It's like marking your territory early. No ton wallet? No problem. Tonkeeper's got your back like a loyal pup. Grab one now and you'll be ready to play with the big dogs when the time comes. Remember, crypto pups, patience is a virtue. This isn't just another walk in the park. It's the beginning of something huge. The Dog's House is about to become the hottest hangout in the crypto neighborhood, and you've got a VIP pass. So, are you ready to join the pack and make crypto history? The Dog's House is calling, and it's time to answer. Don't be the one left whimpering at the door while everyone else is having a ball inside. Get your paws on those tokens, join the Dog's House revolution, and let's show the crypto world what happens when the dogs come out to play. It's time to howl at the moon and watch our tokens soar higher than a frisbee on a sunny day. Remember, in the world of crypto, every dog has its day. And with Dog's House, that day is today. So what are you waiting for? Fetch those tokens and let's make some serious crypto bones.